In a competitive world, standing still means falling behind. Become a certified CellGate dealer and lead the future of access control. The CellGate Dealer Certification Program is a structured, self-paced training experience delivered 100% online through CellGate Academy. It's designed for real-world dealers. No scheduled classes, no travel, and no classroom time. Just focused, on-demand learning that fits your schedule. Your team can choose from 2 tracks, system administration and installation, or complete both to become fully certified. Boost your sales. Deliver a better customer experience. With CellGate certification, your team is equipped to win more deals, reduce install time, cut errors, and build long-term customer loyalty, delivering significant ROI. Get access to on-demand training tailored for both system administrators and installing dealers. Showcase your expertise with CEUs, digital badges, and LinkedIn certifications. Enjoy exclusive perks, like your own MyTech Direct support line to reach CellGate technical experts, with new resources added regularly. Getting certified is simple. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, choose your learning track, system administration or installing dealer. Step 3, complete the online courses at your own pace. Step 4, earn your 3-year certification, so you train once and benefit for years. Step 5, renew easily with a quick refresher to stay certified. Get ready to join a powerful network of certified CellGate dealers. Earn trust, deliver smarter service, and grow your business. Ready to join the elite? Email CellGate Academy at cell-gate.com and lead with confidence. Get certified, get noticed, and get rewarded with 3-year protection and exclusive perks that set your business apart.